So how to make your first $300 to $500 per day in profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Google Ads. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how behind the scenes work is done when you want to go from zero to hero, basically having $300 to $500 per day profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing. So the first thing is we are buying traffic on Google. Why Google Ads? As you know, if you have watched previous videos, I always talk about Google being #1 traffic source for newbies and professionals. Why? Because let's look at it from a simple stand view, right? We are looking for buyers, not prospects. You're not looking for people, for example, with Facebook ads, you are targeting people, yes. But the thing is, they're not buyers. They're just there to serve, to waste time, to talk to friends and family members. But here on Google, they're looking for buyers intent. We are looking for buyers, so that's why we are using Google Ads. Now, how we are doing it? First of all, you have to choose the offer that's already proven to work, that have a previous history of making millions of dollars per year or per month for the vendor, right? That's the best thing. And honestly, you can probably run it better if you follow this method that I'm going to show you. Why? Because normally lazy affiliates, right? The people who buy courses on ClickBank, they just run it with a one landing page and one offer. That's it, right? But if you follow my system, you also incorporate your affiliate email funnel to make much more money on the back end. You see, this is the secret of how to make lots of money on the back end. First of all, you sell them on one offer, right? On the front end. And on the back end, what is happening, my friend, is they are buying upsells, right? They will buy maybe ebook or one supplement or 3 supplements on the front end, but next month or next 2 weeks after they buy the offer, they will buy another offer for maybe for $500, maybe for $3,000, right? So you can still make money from the same customer over and over again. So that's how you position yourself and do the exact opposite of what the masses are doing, right? Really important thing if you want to really make huge income with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, another thing is what is happening after people click on the ad, right? So this is the page after the ad click. This is called the pre-sale page. So the fastest way to increase sales is to remove friction for the sales page. Lots of people want to do direct linking. No, you cannot do that if you really want to avoid all the accounts shut down and basically all the problems that are happening along the way and getting stuck, right? No one wants to get stuck. So you need to have someone to guide you through one-on-one, step by step, and show the way of how this is done, right? So you can go and do data science and basically run traffic and get results. Now, what are the most important metrics? Do not focus on the bounce rates. Lots of affiliates, especially newbies, they all the time focus on the bounce rates. The most important thing is to focus on is earning per click, EPC, right? How much you can make per click, from $3 to $50, right? Depend on the offer. And the pre-sale page will decrease the amount of non-qualified traffic going to the product page. So that's why it's very important to pre-sale 5 points. You need to understand, it's not just about building a landing page. That's easy. What is hard is understanding pre-sale page. What to pre-sale? There are 5 P's. I call them 5 pre-sale points that you have to pre-sell in order to avoid non-qualified buyers and to attract qualified buyers who will buy the product on ClickBank or any other network out there, right? Very important thing. So you have to know and you have to have someone to guide you through step by step to show you how the pre-sale page is built. You can see we are using Google Ads, right? We always exclude display network and we use search network only because we are only targeting by exact keywords. Now, what to do next? So if you're watching this video and if you want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Google Ads, Google AdWords, right? What you can do next is basically subscribe to my channel, like this video, and contact me one-on-one. So basically all the links are below this video, in the description below, but you can reach out to me, ask me any questions regards to affiliate marketing. And if you want to take action now, and by now I guess you realize that you can see yourself in the future having the results starting from zero and having $300 to $500 days every single day in profit if you utilize what I'm showing right now in this YouTube video. So again, subscribe to this channel and click the link below this video to reach out to me and ask me any questions if you want to get started with affiliate marketing.